I'm Johnny Carroll with Midland Building Innovations. I'm here outside of the Midland Glass and Garage Doors showroom, which is located in Frederick, Maryland. It's about 40 miles from both Washington, D.C. and Baltimore, Maryland. And today we're going to show you how easy it is to swap out a 2x4 lighting troffer with the Healthy Lighting Cleanse troffer that kills 99.9% of airborne pathogens. Because we are still in the middle of the pandemic, first thing I'm going to do is put on my mask before I go into the office. And the second thing I'm going to do is walk through our cleanse portal, which kills 90% of all pathogens on my body if I stand in it for about 20 seconds. And you can see it behind me, just making the workplace a safer environment.
Hi, my name is Cliff. I'm the lead electrician here at Midland Building Innovations. I'm going to demonstrate how easy it is to install the Cleanse Troffer by Healthy Lighting. So I'm going to direct you over here and show you some of the components that are sent to you from Healthy Lighting and show you how easy it is. We've got brackets here. We've got some self-tapping screws. We've also got some safety hooks. And here is the 2x4 troffer itself with lights, the fan compartment, the back components here for all your electrical wiring. As you can see here, you have your wiring for your 120, your ground wire, and I'm going to show you how we can easily install that as a retrofit for a 2x4 existing troffer. So first thing obviously is we want to cut our power. We want to be safe, as well as our mass. We want to be working with that, especially nowadays with coronavirus. So the first thing you're going to do is open up your 2x4 troffer and remove your lights. And once you've removed your light bulbs, move your balance cap, you're going to work on removing your ballast. So now that I've removed the ballast and internal components, we can now install the components for the Healthy Lighting troffer itself. Each one of the brackets is going to be placed and screwed into each side of the 2x4 troffer. You're going to notice that there are 4 holes at the top of each bracket, and that's where you're going to take your self-tapper and drill it into your existing troffer case. So along with the component collection, you have these safety clips here. What I like to do is place them on the side of the troffer with these metal brackets here. And you'll see why in a little bit why that's necessary. As you can see, I've already clipped one up on the side here. What I'm going to do is place the other one on the other side. This ensures that when you clip the troffer in to the one side, you can then use these safety clips to safely let your light hang so that you can wire your component. This weighs about 30 pounds, which isn't too heavy, especially considering we have a fan motor in here as well as our electrical components, which comes with a spring-loaded clip for easy install and easy to take out. So you want to make sure that you're lined up on the right side in order to put this in. So once your safety clips are put in, you can go ahead and wire your device. In this case, we're working with 120 volt. So make sure your common lead or your black wire to the black wire, your neutral or white lead to your white wire, and your ground. So once you've checked to make sure that your connections are tight, you can then go ahead, flip, push up, the last portions. You may have to slip a hand up just to make sure the housing stays in place. And that completes your install for your cleansed Troffer. Now we can go ahead and turn it on. So once power has been resumed, after you safely make connections, you notice the light comes on and your fan comes on as well. With this light and a lot of other products by Healthy Lighting, there's an app, the Healthy Pro app, which allows you to ramp up the speed of the motor and decrease it. And also you can increase the visibility of the light, the lumens, or decrease that as well, which also works with one of the switches that Healthy Lighting provides as well. And other than that, that's your install for your Healthy Lighting cleansed Troffer. Thank you very much.